Good morning. Okay, so as I was saying, it was smell good when I take it out in the. I put it near the window so it has the air dry quickly. And when I take it out, it smells good. It really smells good. So I said. It popped in my mind, so I said, what about if I, what if I burn it? First, I thought it's gonna be a big mess, so, and it wasn't, so I'm trying to lighter it. So I'm trying to light it. Okay. It's hard because I'm in the fan. Hold it. So, trying again to it's not gonna burn it. So see, there will be some you see it. So I'm now here in the window because the fan is blowing it, so you can see it's a little bit sparks because it's still not totally dry. So see, it's only smokes in it, and it smells, smells good. Yes, it smells tangerine. So you see it, it smells tangerine, and this one, because if you see the other one, because I wasn't planning to burn this one, the skin. So it when I put it in the window, it wrinkled like this. So when I wasn't planning to smoke it, it's like a incense, or you have like a scented candle, not too strong, the smell. So what I did, so it will be open like this, I put the candle here so it can, I know it's a little bit late, but I'm still trying to cover this one. So there you go. You have a candle holder, and also has well an incense. You can burn it like this one and holding it, so it's not much in any room around the house. So that's my budget for today, and I'm sharing you some of the tips. And ciao for now, and hopefully with the blessings I can have lots of ideas to share to budget. And this one, you can throw it in the trash. It's not no big deal because this one is this, it can decompose, so it's not toxic in the trash. So that's for now, and hopefully I can have an idea to share to you. Ciao. Think positive.